In today's video, we will do the top 30 quotes from one of the best investors of our time, Mr. Peter Lynch. If we miss any quote you like, we do apologize, and please share it with us in the comment below. Thank you. With all due respect and no further delay, let us dive in. 1. The trick is not to learn to trust your gut feelings, but rather to discipline yourself to ignore them. Stand by your stocks as long as the fundamental story of the company hasn't changed. 2. Know what you own, and know why you own it. 3. Only invest what you could afford to lose without that loss having any effect on your daily life and foreseeable future. 4. Big companies have small moves, small companies have big moves. 5. People who succeed in the stock market also accept periodic losses, setbacks, and unexpected occurrences. Calamitous drops do not scare them out of the game. 6. Go for a business that any idiot can run, because sooner or later any idiot probably is going to be running it. 7. When you sell in desperation, you always sell cheap. 8. Stick with a steady and consistent performer. 9. This is one of the keys to successful investing. Focus on the companies, not on the stocks. 10. Look for small companies that are already profitable and have proven that their concept can be replicated. Be suspicious of companies with growth rates of 50 to 100% a year.
Before we move to quote 11, please, if you like what you see so far, may you kindly click like and subscribe. This will really help us a lot, and we truly owe it all to you. Thank you.
11. Investing without research is like playing stud poker and never looking at the cards. 12. Once I've established the size of the company relative to others in a particular industry, next I place it into one of 6 general categories: slow growers, stalwarts, fast growers, cyclicals, asset plays, and turnarounds. 13. While catching up on the news is merely depressing to the citizen who has no stocks, it is a dangerous habit for the investor. 14. My diaries are full of such missed opportunities, but the stock market is merciful, it always gives the nincompoop a second chance. 15. I'm always on the lookout for great companies in lousy industries. A great industry that's growing fast, such as computers or medical technology, attracts too much attention and too many competitors. 16. The stock market demands conviction as surely as it victimizes the unconvinced. 17. If you can't convince yourself when I'm down 25%, I'm a buyer, and banish forever the fatal thought when I'm down 25%, I'm a seller, then you'll never make a decent profit in stocks. 18. Share of stock is not a lottery ticket. It's part ownership of a business. 19. If you can follow only one bit of data, follow the earnings, assuming the company in question has earnings. 20. One obvious sell signal is that inventories are building up and the company can't get rid of them, which means lower prices and lower profits down the road. I always pay attention to rising inventories. When the parking lot is full of ingots, it's certainly time to sell the cyclical. In fact, you may be a little late. Just a quick friendly reminder from payingforward.net: if you do well in life, or when you do well in life, seek ways to pay it forward to others that are less fortunate than us. Thank you. 21. All else being equal, invest in the company with the fewest color photographs in the annual report. 22. The insider has only one reason to buy: to make money. 23. The way you lose money in the stock market is to start off with an economic picture. I also spend 15 minutes a year on where the stock market is going. All these great, heady, thinking deals kill you. 24. A company will rarely go bust in the face of heavy insider buying. 25. If a company has a good balance sheet when I buy it, that gives me a big edge. If it doesn't turn around, I can lose a third of what I invest. But if it does turn around, then I can do very well indeed. 26. If a stock goes up because it's had a road show or for some other reason, but the fundamentals are unchanged, then I'll sell it and add to the others in the category. 27. You've got to go into places where other investors, and especially fund managers, fear to treat, or, more to the point, invest. 28. My stock picking method, which involves elements of art and science plus legwork, hasn't changed in 20 years. 29. The key to making money in stocks is not to get scared out of them. 30. The devoted stock picker is happier when the market drops 300 points than when it rises the same amount. If you like to have access to free intrinsic value calculators, please visit our site at valuesnip.com for free intrinsic value calculators. Thank you for making it this far. We throw in 3 important bonus quote here just for you. 31. Your investor's edge is not something you get from Wall Street experts. It's something you already have. You can outperform the experts if you use your edge by investing in companies or industries you already understand. 32. Behind every stock is a company. Find out what it's doing. 33. Investing is fun, exciting, and dangerous if you don't do any work. Thank you so much for your time and attention. We greatly appreciated it. And we hope to see you in the next video.